Download the Seesaw app in your App Store, and when you're scanning in your QR code, please make sure you use the Seesaw app and not your camera, as this might not work. Click on your Seesaw app and select I'm a student. Scan your QR code and then find your name. Please only select your own name and then tick to confirm it's you. On the right hand side you can see 3 options. The first one is for the journal. This is where you will find any of the work you've already completed and work that has been marked. The next section is our activities. This is where your teachers will post learning that you have to do that day. There is one file that says to do. This is any work that you haven't yet started. Then there is one for in progress. This might be where work your teacher has marked has been sent back to you to change. And then there is the work that is done, which is any work that you've already uploaded to your journal. And finally, we've got our inbox. This is where teachers might post some messages to you as well as using the journal pages. To respond to an activity, you'll need to click the big green Add Response button. Usually your teacher will have left a template for you to do your work on. Once you've completed your work, please make sure that you click the green tick in the top corner of the page to save the work to the journal. You can always go back to your journal and edit work later on. We're aware that Seesaw on a phone looks slightly different. If using a phone, Seesaw will load like this. It will give you the option at the bottom of your screen for the journal, activities or inbox. Once you click on the activities light bulb, it will load the options to do, in progress and done. And just like on a tablet, you're able to manage your work from here.